record. Hi, good evening or good morning. It depends on what time you watch this video. But first off, I would like to introduce myself because we haven't met each other in person yet. So I am Nur Ain, Md Faiza Riza, second year student of the CSE, and this is video of statistics. So previously we've been assigned with three questions for an assignment, and we need to record this. We need to record this assignment on how we solve it and put it on YouTube. So here am I doing it. So first off, we're going to read the question. The first question is plot the graph for category of BMI. Use appropriate pen for all students. And the second one is based on the BMI data. Take sample of 30 data and then plot box and whisker plot. Combine male and female. And the last one is take another random sample of size 15 for male and female each and plot the box and whisker for these two groups. Okay, first off, we're going to answer the first question, which is plot the graph for category of BMI. Okay, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 category here, and I've already put the students accordingly to their BMI category, and this is the result. So this is graph. We have 13 students for underweight, 34 students fall under normal, 12 for pre-obese, 4 for obese 1, 2 for obese 2, and none for obese 3. So in order to plot this graph, I just put the category and the number of students accordingly and select them all and insert graph. Second question is based on the BMI data, take a sample of 30 data and then plot box and whisker plot, combine male and female. So these are the data that I've taken randomly, 30 data, and this is the plot box and whisker plot. Okay, so as you can see, this one 36.5 here is the max. And sorry, yes, it's the max. 16.7 is the min. 22.91223 is the median, and 26.45 is the third quartile. 21.39 is the median, and 19 is the first quartile. And how did I get this is by using Excel formula. The first one, as you can see here, this one is by using Excel formula. The sample mean, sample variance, standard deviation, max, mean range, Q1, Q3, median. And on this side, I got it by calculate them manually. So as for this side, as I've mentioned before, I only use formula from Excel. So as you can see at this formula section, it's all formula. But for this one, I use manual calculation. For example, I took this sum here, and I divide by 30 by the data, I mean the number of data. And for sample variance, I took this one, the sum of x minus x bar squared, and I divided by 29 because that is the formula for sample variance here. If I might show you. Oh, sorry. And next, as for standard deviation, it's the square root of sample variance. So I got 5.42, and for R max, it's stated here, it's 6.5. And yeah, I've already sorted them from smallest to largest. As you can see here, the maximum value is 6.5. The smallest value is 16.7, which means it's the min. And range is 19.8. We just subtract max and min, and Q1 is 19. As you can see, I just take the average of these two numbers, 19, and Q2 is 26.5, and median is 21.39. And if I compare these two, I compare these two calculations. The first one is by formula, and the second one is manual calculation. The values are just the same, which means I got this right. And that's the second one. Yes, and final question, which is take another random sample of size 15 for male and female each and plot the box and whisker for these two groups. So these are data that I've taken for female, and this is for male. And this is the plot and box whisker combined for both male and female. This one is for female, the blue one is for female, and the red one is for male. No worries, I got you covered here by doing separately for female and also male. Okay, so first off, let's go to female. Um, just like what I did before, I do both calculation by Excel and by manual calculation. And as you can see, the again, what's the terms? Yes, the values or the answers I got for both calculations are just the same. As for sample mean, I got 20.452. This one is also 20.452. Sample variance 8.85. Same goes here, and the list goes on. Okay, I forgot to tell you for this manual calculation. These are the formulas that I use. This is for the quartile formula, and this one is for sample variance. For standard deviation, just square root sample variance. And yeah, this is the box and whisker plot, the reference on what are those signs or meanings or lines are on the plot. Okay, let's get back to the question. Yes, for this one is for female, so I got both values same, both values are the same, which means my manual calculations are right. And for male, it's okay. I also got you covered for male. I also managed to get the same values for both Excel and manual calculation by using the by using the formula that I've shown you just now. So this is the plot box and whisker. For female, the maximum is 27.4 and the minimum is 17.2, 21.3 is the median, 23.59 is the Q1, Q3, 19.4 is the Q1. Same goes to this female whisker plot. 26.3 is the maximum, 16.2 is the minimum, 22.81 is the Q3, 19.5 is the median, which are Q2, and 18.7 is the Q1. So I think that's all. That's how I solve my assignments. Yeah, I do that. I do both in Excel and manual calculation, and I hope it satisfies the assignment. With that, thank you.